Hi friends, class 12, unit 1, prefixes and suffixes, page 7. Prefix definition. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters which is added to the beginning of a root word in order to modify it. Usually, the new word formed is the opposite of the given word. Example, inaudible. So, a prefix is a letter or a group of letters. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters which is added to the beginning of a root word. So, example, inaudible. Audible is the root word. We have added in. To modify the word audible, we added in. Usually, the new word formed is the opposite of the given word. So, inaudible is the opposite to audible. The word inaudible is formed by adding the prefix in to the root word or base word audible. A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a root word. By adding suffixes, the grammatical function of the word changes. Example, constantly. So constantly, constant is the root word. We have added to the root word constant ly. Ly is the suffix. So the grammatical function changes when we add suffix ly. The grammatical function of the word constant changes. Constantly is adverb. The suffix ly is added to the root word constant. Let's see what is the derivatives. Words that are derived or formed from the base word by adding prefixes and suffixes are called derivatives. Example, the root word honest. From the root word dishonest, honesty, words are derived or formed. So the derivatives of honesty is dishonest honesty. All of it on page 7, class 12, page 7. Exercise D. Read the list of words formed by adding suffixes. 6 words are given. They are frequently, satisfaction, willingness, comfortable, resemblance, nobility. Frequently is the word, ly is the suffix. Satisfaction is the word, shun, tion is the suffix. Willingness is the word, ness, ness is the suffix. Comfortable is the word, able, able is the word. Resemblance is the word, anc is the suffix. Comfortable is the word, able is the suffix. Nobility is the word, ty is the suffix. For each word, extra 2 words are given. Frequently, suddenly, easily. Satisfaction, attraction, examination. Willingness, darkness, goodness. Comfortable, capable, preferable. Resemblance, acceptance, guidance, nobility, responsibility, connectivity. That's it with me. Thank you.